go. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
You came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours.
Hey guys, hope you all enjoyed that clip and now excited to see how we shot that. Cause I am super excited to unbox and understand the feature of this super cool thing which you bought recently. Alright, so without wasting your time, let's get on to it. So here we go.
I'm not saying this, I feel crazy.
Alright guys, so we got this deal on Amazon and we bought this DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. So you know, nowadays we love flying drones to get the cinematic shots and all that stuff. So price wise, I'll tell you at the end. Inside the thing, desi, bina deal ke kuch nahi kharidte bhai. Let's get let's cut it. Here we have DJI Mavic Air 2. So as you can read guys, this is DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So you can buy it with combo and without combo as well. That's what we're gonna know. Ki Fly More combo mein aakhir aata kya? Here you go. So the first thing you get with the Fly More combo is this bag. मैं एक करके चीजें निकालता हूँ. So first we got, there's one box, there is one controller. Good. And we got one serial charging panel, ND filters, charging panel, USB-C cable, and now finally DJI Mavic Air 2. That's the drone we got. Now as you can see guys, I already opened it and put the wings on, but I'll tell you how the wings, how to put the wings. So to remove and set up the wings guys, what you need to do is hold it down here on this ring and press this wing a little bit and then just twist it. And that's how it comes out. There are hooks which fits into this. So you're gonna put this back here. Just do this, press it a little and then again move it. And that's how your wings are ready to fly. Okay? This is almost around half a kg. Open its wings. Ta-da-dang, ta-da-dang. Piche ka ta-da-dang. And here's your drone. Duck, 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 zoo. नहीं ऐसे नहीं उड़ाते. ऐसे नहीं उड़ाना है इसको. So here we got this DJI Mavic Air 2 drone guys, and now let me tell you the feature. But before jumping into the feature, let's talk about the other stuff we got. First thing I have in here is extra batteries and the serial panel. So as you get 2 extra batteries with the Fly More combo, you can charge all 3 batteries together. But remember, this thing charges the battery serially. That's why it is called a series panel. Suppose if you have one battery at 70, 60 and 50%, it will charge the 70% battery first and make it full so that you are ready to go. And then it will charge the 60 and then 50. This is your charging cable. So how you connect it to it is you have this connector here, and then you put it on like this. You put this one right here, and then you put batteries here, and that's it, which is already on here. So how you take out the batteries, there are two buttons, you just press here and you take out the battery. So now your drone is pretty lightweight. The next thing we get with it, guys, is this controller, which is pretty sleek and smooth, as you can see. और बिल्कुल भी कोई complications नहीं है. Okay, so right now there are no joysticks. So joysticks are actually beneath here. So you take those out and connect it, and your controller is ready to go. So that's how you set up your controller. So now I'm going to show you how you can put your phone on it. So you just take out this light thing here, and there's this lightning cable comes up. So there are other cables as well. There are a bunch of other cables which came in that, and you can kind of use those for other like Android phones or Samsung phones. So यहाँ पे बस इस phone को ऐसे रख देना है, which is pretty easy. And you take this one and just put inside your iPhone. There you go. Pretty simple, right? अभी connected हो गया. Now you need to download that DJI Fly app, and then it will be connected with everything, and the drone will fly, and it will show you the footage on your phone. One of the buttons is for return to home. If something happens and you don't know where is your drone and what needs to be done, or you're running low on the battery, just hit on the return to home and it will come back wherever it took from. Now let's talk about this drone itself, guys. By weight, this is 538 or something grams. So as it is greater than 500 grams, the first thing you need to do is register this drone with the FAA's website. Actually, you need to register all the drones with the FAA's website, but इसके लिए आपको license भी लेना पड़ेगा. You need to register and get the registration number and put somewhere on your drone. So I have put it here. Now sensor wise, it got 2 sensors at the back, 2 sensors in the front, and 2 sensors नीचे यहाँ पे. तो total मिला के 6 sensors आते हैं इसमें. There's one LED light as well. So when you fly and when you want to land this, you can turn on that light and it will land easily. It will show you the area beneath, right? So you can use it. Best thing we want to talk about is the camera. So if you look at the cameras, it comes with a 3-axis gimbal camera. So यहाँ पे cover लगा हुआ है, so we need to take that out slowly. Okay, so we took out the cover. And now as you can see, this is a 3-axis gimbal camera. When you shoot or maneuver the drone, it adjusts the camera accordingly, so that आपका जो shoot है वो it stays stable and it does not flicker or it does not go off, right? You can create a pictures up to 48 megapixels and shoot a video of 4K qualities, right? So that's a pretty awesome shots we're gonna get through this. So battery wise, it comes with a 3 battery, and one battery is 3500 mAh, which can last around 35 minutes, give and take. So including all 3 batteries, it can give you around 1.5 hours of flight time. So that's a pretty good enough for a decent shoot. तो अगर storage की बात करें guys, तो Fly More combo does not come with any SD card. So you need to buy that SD card separately and put that one here. Here goes the SD card. You need to open this one small thing here, and आपका SD card यहाँ पे जाएगा. So a recommended SD card is any 3 grade rating plus SD card, which is like Extreme or something. And the maximum capacity SD card it supports is 256 GB. And also to transfer your footage, you don't always need to take that SD card and put it into your laptop or something. There's also already a slot given, which is here, right here, which you can use a USB-C connection to connect it to the drone and transfer your footage. But that is not a recommended way anyway. Now let's talk about the safety, guys. So for safety, this drone, why it is so famous, it comes with the APAS. So APAS is Advanced Pilot Assistance System, and what that do is that gives this drone an obstacle avoidance. So when you fly near any object, this drone would not go and crash into the object. It will change its route and it will fly around. Another feature it got is जब आप फ्लाई कर रहे हो and if there is a manned aircraft in the vicinity, this drone can tell you. So even if you cannot see that manned aircraft, this drone when you're flying will tell you that there is a manned aircraft in the vicinity and you should be careful so that you can take your precautions to adjust your drone accordingly. Now another feature this drone have which the Mavic Mini or other drones does not have is this drone can follow you. अब आप पे बता सकते हो कि इसको मुझे फॉलो करना है. I will walk and then it should follow me, so you can focus on moving object and this drone will follow that moving object. The biggest feature it have, this drone can fly up to 10 kilometers guys. 6.2 miles or for 10 kilometers it can fly in that range. But I don't know when you will be flying a drone 10 kilometers away from you. So this is the question I always had in my mind कि क्या होगा अगर मेरा बैटरी लाइफ लो हो जाता है या फिर the drone goes out of my controller range area or whatever those kind of thing happens when I'm not able to control the drone. Drone का मुझसे अगर contract lose हो जाता है तो what happens in that case? So the thing is, this drone is also equipped with that return to home functionality. In case your controller lose the contact with the drone or your drone is running low on the battery, it automatically returns to the home.
Come back.
We got a low battery in कितना बचा 16 minutes.
And now it is returning to home.
16%. जब भी आप टेक ऑफ करते हो तो it saves your that GPS location and it uses that location to come back to the home. So वहाँ पे कुछ भी होगा तो approximately वहाँ पे आके वो land हो जाएगा. Now let's talk about some stringent rules and regulations. Take it from me, flying a drone might be easy, but following the rules and regulations and all that stringent things, which is down here in US at least, is very tough. It's not like you can take the drone and fly it anywhere. You cannot fly drone in national park, you cannot fly drone in state park, you cannot fly drone in city. So where can we exactly fly drone? That's the biggest question we had when we bought this drone. तो उसके लिए एक अलग से ऐप आती है which is called as Kitty Hawk or a Before You Fly. You can use either of this app to also log in and register on that app, and then that app will tell you what is the authorized or approved area where you can fly your drone. Also, to fly this drone commercially or to earn money from this, you also need to get a 107 license from FAA. There's a big exam you need to write to be a certified pilot to fly a drone commercially. So that's all about the unboxing and flying this DJI Mavic Air 2 guys. This is all the stuff you get when you buy DJI Mavic Air 2 combo. Thank you very much for watching guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do then leave a thumbs up and let me know in comments below if you have any specific question about this Mavic Air 2 drone. And if you are new then do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get the latest updates about the kind of crazy stuff and also the hiking, the wandering and exploring United States. Alright, I'll see you in next one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.